Put a finger down if you know this viral funk. Put a finger down for each funk track you know. If you put more than 5 fingers down, you're the king or queen of social media trends. Easy mode. Bonus round. Put a finger down if you're one of the rare trend experts who liked and subscribed to the video. Now, let's upgrade to normal mode. Put a finger down if you think you keep up with trends better than the first person that pops up when you click share, and then more. Expert mode. Type in the comments how many fingers you